So do you ever wonder how you can instantly connect with your Instagram leads and send them the WhatsApp messages? So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how we can boost sales with WhatsApp and Instagram. So using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to create this integration between Instagram lead ads and AI Sensei, and whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in Instagram, I'm automatically going to send them the WhatsApp message. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the product information to all the leads which we have captured from Instagram lead ads. And for this, we are simply going to create integration between Instagram leads ads and AI Sensei using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into a Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly Community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send WhatsApp product information automatically for Instagram lead ads lead, and now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select it as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully, so as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send a WhatsApp message to all the leads which I'm going to capture from my Instagram lead ads, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Instagram lead ads, I'm automatically going to send them the WhatsApp message, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Instagram lead ads, and then in my action application, I will be taking AI Sensei, using which I'm going to send the WhatsApp messages. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Instagram lead ads. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Now here I've already logged in my Facebook account, and my Facebook and my Instagram are connected. So I'm going to continue with the same Facebook account, and you will see Instagram lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. And here it is, connection created successfully. Now I need to enter the page and the lead gen form, but before that, let me take you to ad manager. So here you see that I am running a campaign in which you can see that my Facebook page and my Instagram account are connected. This is the Facebook page which I will be using to run all the advertisements by the name Digital Dynamics, and you see that my Instagram account, the account which we have just built the connection from here, is also connected to this. And then I will be using my lead generation form, which is also selected and connected. So here I'll go back towards my workflow and from this drop down I'm going to select my page as digital dynamics, and then I need to get this lead gen form. So this is the page and I have created various lead gen forms. To get this lead gen form I need to enter meta for developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, you have to go towards the resources and then click on the developer tools. You will be landed towards the developer tools page. If you scroll down, you can see this lead ads RTO debug tool. So let's open this, and here lead ads testing tool has appeared in front of me where I need to enter the page and the form. So in this drop down you can see all the pages I have created. I'm going to select my page as digital dynamics and then I'm going to enter the form. After selecting the page, I'm going to select the form. So over here I'm going to use this DT lead form. You can see all the fields which this form has: first name, email, last name and phone number. Now I'm going to go back towards my workflow and select the same form. So you can see this is the same form which we have selected. After entering the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I'm going to do a test submission in order to capture the response here in this workflow. In order to do this test submission, I will be opening this lead ads testing tool and I'm going to click on this preview form and make the form submission. But before that, please make sure that you delete the lead and refresh this page once. But while you will be running a live campaign and receiving the live leads, you need not do this. I'm going to click on preview form. I'll be doing some form submission, so I'm going to enter some dummy details. I'm going to enter my name as dummy lead, and then I'm going to enter my email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as this one. Now as soon as I do this form submission, I should capture all the details in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine. I'm going to click on this continue and then click on this submit, and here let's wait for the form submission. Here the form submission has been done. I'll go back towards my workflow and let's wait for the webhook response. And here you see that just 10 seconds ago I have received the response. The name which we have submitted was dummy lead. The email address was dummy@pabblytudes.com, and this was the phone number. So here as soon as I have generated the lead or submitted the form, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them the WhatsApp message. So in my action application, I'll take AI Sensei, with the help of which I'll send WhatsApp messages. And in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we need to enter the API key. To get this API key, I'm going to open my AI Sensei account. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on the manage and then go towards the API keys on the left hand side itself. I'm going to click to copy. I'm going to copy this API key, paste it over here, and then I'm simply going to save this. You will see AI Sensei will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is that I need to enter the campaign name. Now to get this campaign, I need to create a template. For that, let's open AI Sensei. Now here we are at the dashboard of AI Sensei. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the manage, and then you can see if I click on this all, you can see all the templates which I have created. To create a new template, you simply need to click on this new, then you have to select the template category, you have to select the language, after which if you want, you can generate the template using this generate with AI. You can write a prompt and your message will be generated, for which we require some credits. But if you want to create your own template, you can simply name the template, select the template type, whether you want to send the text, image, video, document, location or something like that. Then you can enter the header text, like if you want to send welcome message, you can do that. Then in this template format, you can enter the body of the message. So here you see that I have entered the body of the message as hi demo, and then I'm going to provide the value to this one. So this one is a custom variable which I have added, and with the help of this custom variable itself, we are going to create a custom template and send those custom templates to all our customers. So whenever I'm going to get a new response, a new lead, these variables are going to get changed with the details of the new leads. So here I have added for the name. You can add for all the other details like the product, phone number, email address, and then you can add the value according to the key which you have added in this custom variable. So this is how you can create this template format. Then you can add the template footer. You can add the interactive action, none, call to action, quick reply buttons, or if you want, you can use all. After this, you have to simply submit this, and when your template will be reviewed, you have to go back towards this campaigns. Now, as soon as your template will be reviewed, you have to click on this launch, you have to click on this API campaign, you have to give the campaign name, and then you have to select the template. So as your template will be reviewed, it will start showing over here, and you simply have to select that template and click on the set live. Now here I have already created a template which I'm going to show you once, which is by the name Instagram leads. So here I have added one custom variable, hello demo, thank you for showing interest through our Instagram ads. We're excited to introduce you to our business, a perfect choice for you. Enjoy an exclusive 30% off just for you. Hurry, this offer is valid until 24 hours. Want to know more or place your order now? Don't miss out on this limited time deal, and then call us at this number. So I have created a campaign for the same template. On the left hand side, I'll click on this campaigns, and I have created a campaign by the name Instagram leads, the name same as my template, and you see this is the same exact template. Now what I have to do, I simply have to copy this campaign name and paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter the mobile number. So I'm not going to enter this manually like this. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I received the response from this Instagram, and when I click on this Instagram, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter the phone number which I have received, which was this one, 6262. I have received the response in this format, +91, which means the country code and the plus sign. So I've entered that, and please make sure that while you collect your details, you collect in the same format. Now in the username, I'm going to follow the same process and map the name. Now in the source, latitude, longitude, location name, address, tags, these fields are not required ones, so I'm going to skip this. In the template parameter, I need to enter or map the custom variable for which I have created the custom variable. So I have created a custom variable for the name of the lead. And if you have created more custom variable, what you have to do, you have to simply enter comma, separate one custom variable with the another custom variable, and then map that particular custom variable so that the key gets the value. So here I just have one custom variable, I have entered that. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. These attributes, URL and file name are not required fields, so for now I'm going to skip this. If you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. Now over here, I'm going to remove this phone number and enter my own WhatsApp phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message when I'm going to execute this step or the workflow. And now after adding all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here we have received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. And here it is. I have received this message. The name has been replaced. You can see, hello dummy lead. Thank you for showing interest through Instagram ads. We are excited to introduce you to our business, a perfect choice for you. So this is the same template which we have created in AI Sensei, and we have received that. Now to summarize, we took Instagram lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to send them the WhatsApp message. So we took WhatsApp by AI Sensei as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, learned how to create the template and then campaign, and then use the campaign name to send the WhatsApp message, executed this workflow, and finally send the WhatsApp message. And that too personalized. So this is how we have created the connection between this Instagram lead ads and WhatsApp by AI Sensei using Pabbly Connect. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation, and I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.